we have a little surprise. There he is. And there's Carl. Yep. Look at them. We're back over here. Made it back to this part of the tracks. Checking out the wall. Connor showed up. Connor's never been out here before. So, of course, as soon as you show up, the sun goes away. So we're just kind of showing them what to look for, where to look. And hopefully, if anything, I know on the other side of the tracks we'll be able to flip some ringnecks over there. Look at you, cutie. Connor, come here, look at this quality.
Oh, Lord. That's awesome.
He's adorable. I wonder if it's a male. Well, we caught the little guy. I grabbed his tail, and then Connor grabbed him.
Had a two-man job there.
It's a little male. Very, very cute. They look like little dinosaurs. You know if y'all roughy feels?
Oh, wow. It's cool.
Yeah. Those little claws, see those little bitty nails? That's how they climb on anything in there. King snake! King snake! Oh, got a king snake. See dude. And he's gone. Dang it.
Dude, he might still be back there.
Yeah, you got a light?
I don't even see it. It's yellow back in there.
I didn't see two, just a little 5-line skink. Cute looking thing. See, yeah, good close up on his face. Nope.
You really like getting face shots.
Yeah, dude, I have 4K at 30 times optical zoom. Who wouldn't?
Okay, fair enough.
Right here we have a beautiful in situ. Just as we found her.
Black king? Oh my. Oh my god.
Black king snake.
Damn.
Hey, beauty. Hey, pretty girl. Connor spotted it. I don't know how.
She's not even musking.
No, she is.
Oh, well, I can't smell it.
Get over here. Look at her. This is about the exact size of the one that I found
Under the rock.
under the rock.
That's neat.
This one's a little bit better condition. It looks like she's got some fraying right there. You okay, girl? Look at that belly pattern now. That is
nice.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Fence lizard over there. Right.
Probably what I mean, she was just right there under that leaf. Just with her head right there. She was constricting around my hand.
I need to get some video on this one.
Just amazing.
Oh, I smell the musk now. What does musk smell like? Oh, that's cool.
They always want to check out the cameras. Always want to check out the cameras. What are you doing, girl?
She's like, I don't care about phones. I just want to know what that sticky thing is.
Not on. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me get some pictures of this girl, and then I'll let her go.
She's remarkably calm.
I know. She wasn't at first, but now she is. I'm taking turns holding the snake because
it's a great snake.
It's a great snake. Alright, let's get some pictures of her. Alright, we're gonna get a release on this girl, and then we're gonna go flip this side of the tracks. Hope this is a good sign of things to come. She was going down here, so let her go back up under her rock.
Something right there.
Huh?
There might be another one.
Alright. Hang on. Where do you see it?
I saw something moving and I heard it.
There's a hole where one could go down. Let's go check the side of the tracks. So this, I flipped up this rock where I found that black king the other time, and sure enough, here we go. Another black king. Connor, you wanna take this?
Nice. It's a little bigger. Oh, about the same size.
Yes. That's a little smaller actually. She is cold. She's rattling that tail.
I've seen that.
She's just right up under there. Absolutely perfect. Oh, girl. You want any video of this one there, buddy?
Yeah.
She is scraggly.
Still beautiful.
She is smooth. She has that shine you keep talking about.
Iridescence? Oh yeah, she does have it.
Oh, you're gonna constrict my hand? Look at her.
Okay, Jordan just went ahead and flipped this big rock. And look what he found.
Oh, I'm gonna get a picture of her like this.
Another black king. Sweet.
I wish I had
We'll
my
get
GoPro
some.
on when I did that. I should have had my GoPro on.
We'll definitely get some pictures of this guy and then we'll try and find some more.
And that
That's your second black king you flipped.
is a really cool. Huh?
Here, could I see that?
Yeah. Hang on.
Oh, you are scrappy.
Yeah, I just got it. Oh, Carl just flipped his lifer slimy. So, that's really awesome. Beautiful little girl. She's chilling. Awesome. Alright, you can go ahead and end it. Alright. Back to where we were.
Have to let this guy go. Okay, a little
Come on, girl.
bit of a bad let go.
There you go.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Nice. Let's try and find another one.
2 black kings on the day. Boom! Marcus got himself a little blue-tailed skink.
Oh, and he just pooped on me.
And he pooped on him. Oh, he's adorable. Surprised he's not trying to bite you.
Yeah. That's all these guys.
Stop that. Trying to work here, sir.
Oh,
Look at it.
hey, NC2.
The NC2 means as found, not as dropped. Looks like Lucas has a... Oh, that's a baby.
It's a baby or baby?
Hey.
Call back.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
poke it. There he is. Look how cute he is.
Let's make this video a 3-parter.
All right.
I'm firmly and chunky.
Caught a broad-headed skink.
Salads, man.
Show you guys up close and in detail that orange.
you fat?
Why they're called a broad-headed right there, because its head's so broad, and the males, they have that orange, and then that bottom part of his jaw right there, how it swells up.
If you want to see him get bit, yeah.
So, yep, stick your finger in there. How bad does that hurt?
Not bad at all, actually.
Really?
Okay, now he's pinching down.
Okay. Let go, buddy. Let go. Let go.
The pull away is the roughest.
Let go. Come on, dude.
He's like, oh, I got me a snack.
Let go.
Oh, that's the worst.
Oh, God. Here, let's get that. I don't think that's going to work. No, I don't think that's going to work. Oh, there it is. Woo! He's licking his lips.
He's like, yum.
Yeah, that was good.
Uh,
All right, little dude, I will let you go. Oh, look how much that color pops like that.
Jesus. Let me...
He is so cute. All right, get the release on this little dude. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right, well, we are heading down to the water snake pond. See if anybody's out. Hopefully, the sun's been kind of peeking out here and there, so it hasn't been out long enough to really. I don't think it's been out long enough for them to actually be out there. But we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can get anything, and maybe get them a lifer water snake. We found some eastern newts, just kind of chilling. But I was right so far about the northerns. They are not out in force. at all. They should be. Our turtle friend isn't even here. Well, Connor got a little newt. It's like the old days. Nice little dude. Little Eastern newt. He's not happy. He's like,
He's like, I will eat you.
Love that coloration on him though. Little specks. Look at his little hand. What you doing, buddy? Alright, well, I'm gonna let him go. Here you go, dude.
Not as good as yours.
Huh? Got. Where'd he go?
He's right there underneath that leaf, right in front of you.
Where? I can't see him. Oh, he's right there. Yep, right there we have got a dusky salamander.
Where's he at?
Reach down there and grab him. I'm trying to. You got him? Yeah. See if you can get him out. Did you get him?
Yep.
Yep. Cool. Here, move so I can lay this down. Connor, move so I can lay this down. Okay, get back up here. Ah.
Nice.
Here.
Okay, we're gonna
Get back up here.
Okay, bye.
We have a dusky salamander. First dusky I've ever found out here. These guys are awesome. They have such a cool little coloration and pattern on them. Oh, he is. You okay, buddy? Hey. Oh, he's hopping. Here, move your foot. Let him go. Just let him go. He's dried out. He's a little cutie.
What?
And a herp like that, first dusky out here. It's pretty awesome. Glad these guys came out and joined us. So, alrighty, guys. Well, see you guys in the next premiere. Probably be tomorrow around 6 p.m. Be there. It's gonna be a good one.
Have a good day. Hey, George.
What?
You get another one?
Oh, we get something. What'd you get?
2 newts.
Oh, we got 2 newts.
They were mating.
They were mating?
Yeah. Come on, bro.
That's awesome.
Way to kill the mood, man.
That's awesome. Yeah, you can tell. That's, I'm guessing, the female? No, that's the male.
They're usually bigger.
Yeah, that's the female and that's the little male. Alright. Guess we'll end it on that note. And see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so, bonus clip. We have a male, leave him right there. I'm going to try to get to male broad-headed skink and a female broad-headed skink. And they were under this rock and they're mating. Oh, get him. Don't let him go. Watch them, they can drop their tails. Oh, he got you. He got you again. Love these little guys. So absolutely just gorgeous.
Female's definitely larger.
Yeah. The males get pretty big too. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Alright, well, let's let them go. Awesome. See you guys tomorrow. So we just lifted up the other rock. I know I keep trying to end this thing. We keep just finding more stuff. Another male broad-headed skink. That is just amazing. He is just adorable looking. Love these guys. Alright, well, let them go. Sweet. Nice. Series of bonus clips for you all at the end of this premiere. Oh my goodness. We got a blue tail. We just flipped him under this rock. Goodness, look at that blue on that tail. It's ridiculous. That is amazing. Love those guys. So we got 5 lines and broadhead. Right in this little area. Yeah. He's so cute. Alright, well, let him go. Nice. Okay, now I'm serious. I'll see you guys tomorrow. No, I'm not. We're gonna flip this rock. Oh my gosh, we 5 lined under that one. Look at him, blue on the tail. He's shiny as can be. Ah, okay. Let's. I'm serious this time, guys. I'm done. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.